Let me show you how to make a simple, easy and low budget foraging box for your birds. For the container I simply used a paper box we got as a package. This time I added some shredded paper, wood chips, a mix of dried herbs, flowers and veggies, some toys, and I also added a pine cone and the healthy and wild seed mix from Rio. In the wild, birds spend several hours a day foraging for food. So to encourage natural behaviors, those boxes can help your birds staying mentally stimulated, physically exercised, and it can prevent boredom since they have to work for their food.